What's up, guys? So this video is coming to you from, well, at least the suggestion for this video is coming to you from Quietly Ecstatic, and they asked me. Now, it was kind of hard to really understand what they were asking with this question, but what I gathered out of it is, how can you help somebody that is having a panic attack? And honestly, this may sound kind of surprising because it seems kind of extreme, but if somebody is having the symptoms of a panic attack, racing heart, pain in chest, lightheadedness, the best thing you can actually do is call an ambulance, because unless the person knows what's going on or has a general idea, you're not a doctor, they're not a doctor most likely, and you have no way of knowing what's going to happen, because the symptoms of a panic attack oftentimes will often mimic the symptoms of a heart attack. So it's a lot of the times, even with me, now that I'm experienced with having panic attacks, I know what to expect. There's always that fear when the heart palpitations start that maybe this time it's actually going to be a heart attack. And that's the first thing. The second thing you could do, if somebody is a little bit more experienced and knows what's going on, the best thing you can actually do is give them space, because there's two type of people that are prone to panic disorder, and that's perfectionists and people that are terrified of causing negative emotions in other people. And I fall into the latter category. I'm not exactly a perfectionist, as I'm sure you can tell from my videos, but for years, for several different reasons, I was terrified of causing negative emotions in people. And that's where the panic attack started happening, because a lot of the times I felt guilty for ruining situations for people because of my anxiety and different things like that. So the best thing you do is give somebody space, because now I'm repeating myself, but people that have panic attacks oftentimes don't want to make anybody else feel worse because of their situation. But that's just kind of how it works out. But that brings me to my next point. People have to understand, because a lot of people that go to a hospital after a panic attack, during a panic attack, they will feel guilty afterwards because they feel like they wasted people's time. A panic attack is a medical emergency, because you don't know what's going on, and the best thing you can do is go to a hospital. Even if you have panic disorder and you still feel like you can't handle it, and this might be a situation where you're about to actually go crazy, go to a hospital. I mean, I guess it's easier to say in Japan because our medical care is cheap, but that's the best advice I can give. So, I mean, when it really comes down to it, there's nothing you can really do to help somebody necessarily to stop having a panic attack, because the panic attack has to run its course, because it's your body's nervous system firing off and telling you that you're in extreme danger. So. But that pretty much sums up this video. So, as always, if you like my video, subscribe. If you like my music, buy it. And if you hate me, tell everybody. Out.
Pizza boy, pizza. Pizza boy, pizza. Pizza boy, Nizza. Pizza boy, Nizza.